KGG KGX Linear Pitch Slide Module. The body consists of ball screws and linear guide rail. KGX module can be made by grinding or rolled ball screw. Repeatability up to plus or minus 0.003 mm. It has better performance than similar products in China. The modular design effectively avoids the need for traditional braking stages to go through the guide and the selection of driving elements. Installation and checking. Large size and space consumption disadvantages. KGX modules are easy to install with high rigidity, high precision, high speed and low noise. Module specification is diversified. The body width is 4, 50, 60, 80, 100, 130 mm. Maximum guide rail length is 1680 mm. Maximum horizontal load is 789 kg. Maximum speed up to 1480 mm per second. You can choose the appropriate specifications according to the use of space and load or contact us to make a customized selection for you. KGX linear pitch slides are used in a wide range of applications, such as inspection machines, dispensing equipment, surface adhesion equipment, automatic drilling machines, production line manipulators, XYZ multi-axis combination slides, etc. Focus on KGG to unlock more quality transmission products.